Welcome to Croat.ca, the Canadian-Croatian Chamber of Commerce's website dedicated to keeping the business and social community informed and connected. I'm Marcella Barrick. As a community, we share the vision and responsibility of fostering an enduring economic and social environment. The Chamber has worked diligently to establish a growing and prosperous network and is fortunate to have directors, members, and volunteers from a variety of industries, along with talented professionals and skilled workers with an entrepreneurial spirit committed to creating economic success and cultural prosperity for the benefit of our Croatian-Canadian community. Here's who we are. Founded in 1995, the Canadian-Croatian Chamber of Commerce is membership-based, volunteer-driven, not-for-profit organization that has emerged as the voice of Croatian-Canadian business in Canada. We are committed to enhancing the economic and cultural prosperity of our members and community. The Chamber serves as an advocate for Croatian-Canadian business and facilitates opportunities for member businesses to promote themselves locally and in Croatia. We foster sustained relationships among our members, our community, and promote business excellence. The Chamber also provides a nurturing environment for young entrepreneurs. We are committed to enhancing the economic and cultural prosperity of our members and community. The Chamber offers unique leadership opportunities, meaningful volunteer activities, and exclusive business building programs focused on economic, civic, and social priorities. The Chamber welcomes the involvement of Croatian-Canadian youth. We take pride in our ability and commitment to help students of Croatian descent pave their path in life by offering an annual scholarship and bursary to assist in furthering their education and helping students achieve their professional and personal goals. A scholarship and bursary is awarded to eligible students enrolled in a full-time program at a university or college in Canada. Our youth mentoring program gives post-secondary students an opportunity to interact with professionals and entrepreneurs to discuss career aspirations, work initiatives, and many other career-related matters. We are involved in our community. To help preserve our common heritage, the Chamber works in cooperation with local Croatian organizations, including the Croatian-Canadian Library and Cultural Society, folklore and sports groups, and the Croatian Consulate. Our website, Croat.ca, keeps our business and social community informed and connected by promoting community events, news, and spotlighting our members' achievements. We proudly recognize excellence and leadership in Croatian-Canadian community through the annual Business Excellence Awards by promoting Croatian-Canadian artists and authors. Get involved, join a committee. Another great opportunity to network and become actively involved with the Chamber's leading business and advocacy groups is through committee participation. Contribute to the development of issues of interest to businesses and help promote sustainable economic development in the community. Depending on your interests, there's an assortment of committees to choose from. We welcome your involvement in one of our committees. Business Excellence Awards, Community Projects, Construction Liaison, Education, Culture and Heritage, Government Relations, Events, Finance and Governance, Golf, Membership, Website and Technology. We encourage you to visit us on Croat.ca and learn more about the Chamber, our mission, and accomplishments. Stay connected with our events calendar and read articles that are relevant to our community. If you're not a member of the Canadian-Croatian Chamber of Commerce, please join. Your investment will be of benefit to your business, as well as our community, and an opportunity to contribute to the evolution of the Chamber. Together, we make success.